May I start?
We are here in the installation Pardon Our Dust by Turbo Avedon. It is a brand new CGI work that was especially created for this exhibition. Turbo Avedon is an avatar and lives solely in the digital space. They were born as an artist in 2008 in the computer game Second Life, and since then have inserted themselves in different computer game environments where they take inspiration from. It all starts and ends at a flooded petrol station with a sign later. It refers to the mythological Greek river of Oblivion, where you drink out of to become immortal and forget everything you have experienced in your actual real life. At one part of the installation, the artist decided to let an image algorithm take over the image production. It is created by an artificial intelligence and creates abstract painterly images in the background. The installation also tackles the topic of the new Web3 in the building of the Metaworlds, a term that was actually coined in the 1990s in a science fiction novel and then taken over by a large corporation for what happens now. The privatization of these online spaces is something that the artist Turbo Avedon views critically.
Have I loaded? Once again,